Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register on Pionex exchange. When you enter the website, click on sign up, and in the registration section you can register by linking your account to Google, Apple, Line, Telegram, or make it manually like email or phone number. We choose the email section. In this section, enter your email plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click on sign up. We'll receive an email which includes a code in it. Go to your email, click on Pionex, copy the code, and enter it here. Then click on confirm. We enter our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.